Christmas is here and Santa's starting to worry. So many toys to produce and ship in such a hurry. Good boys and girls looking forward to presents and jollity. And Santa must make sure all the gifts retain their high quality. Santa was filled with despair without a logistics solution, until one elf told Santa about the KontGuard revolution. From smart monitoring to real-time business intelligence, the KontGuard device improves operations with elegance. Santa quickly equipped all the sleds with smart KontGuard gear, and before he knew it, Christmas was finally here. On Christmas Eve, when all the kids said goodnight, Santa sat tight and watched his trackable sleds take flight. Thanks to the KontGuard solution, Santa had a clear advantage, and suddenly his Christmas supply chain was so easy to manage. The lesson, boys and girls, is clear. To monitor cargo far and near, you can only rely on the trusted KontGuard gear.